Hi, this is a 2002 through 2007 Toyota Sequoia, and today we are going to break down the center console to get at the cup holders. There is a locator pin, so putting this back together should be pretty easy. And this is just a little reminder, guys, you don't have to kill it. You're screwing into plastic, and be patient with it because you don't want to cross thread these, otherwise you ruin the plastic. Okay, this is the rear of the center console. I have it upside down. Some of you will have a 120 volt power outlet back here. I just have a 12 volt, so that may be a difference to some of you. But the rest should be the same. You'll have 2 screws on each side and this little clip to keep track of. All these screws are the same, so you can keep them all in one bucket. This is the wiring harness to the 12 volt outlet. The 120 volt may be different. I know it has a transformer and it might live here, so just keep aware of that. Alright, so after you have those 4 screws out, then you're going to look inside and you're going to locate that screw in the front. Its brother right there. One there. One there. One there. One there. One there. And one there. Total of 8 screws. Okay, so once you have all those screws out, the bottom of the bucket is now free. Should be. And you can lift it straight out. And you can let it dangle so you can have access to the 12 volt plug. Once you've pulled that plug, you have 2 screws that you need to remove. The rearmost screw there and the rearmost screw there. Now that you have those 2 screws taken out, you can come in and grab the other side of this box and it should come out. Once you have that piece out, you can get at the rear seat air conditioning controls, and again it's just a pinch and pull connector. And you can set that aside a little bit more gracefully than I do, probably. Finally, we get to these 2 screws there and there. If you need to access your rear air conditioning controls, there's a small metal clip on this side and on that side. You push those in and then you push the whole assembly out through from the bottom. On these clips, it's handy to have a screwdriver to gently pry it away from each other, but you can also bend the plastic pieces away from each other, and that'll help you separate this whole assembly. And there you go, access to the cup holder fingers, or inserts, or whatever you want to call them. The rear cup holder inserts are completely round, except for this notch on one end. And it's a lot like the front ones. You have locator pins, so they only go in one way. And you can see here the locator notch. Again, these are both the same. They follow the same pattern. So if you use this as a template, it should go right back in. Assembly is the reverse of disassembly. Watch as I wave my magic wand. Woo! Bam! Done. Now let's throw it back in the truck. Time for some more magic. Alright, I'm done. Let's get out of here.